Hello, I'm Swati. In our series on transfer pricing, let's start with international transfer pricing. Under the Income Tax Act, TP begins with Section 92. As per Section 92 of the Act, any income arising from an international transaction shall be computed having regard to arm's length price. The question arises here is whether only the income is the matter of concern in transfer pricing. What about the expenses? This is also dealt by the same section. Explanation in the same section clarifies that the allowance for any expense or interest arising from any international transaction shall also be determined having regard to arm's length price. Further, Section 92 also covers mutual agreement, arrangement for allocation or apportionment of, or any contribution to any cost or expense, benefit, service or facility provided or to be provided. Contrary to what we have discussed, the section will not apply if it is having an effect of reducing the income or increasing the loss. In nutshell, if the tax liability is reduced, then the section will not apply. So the tax authorities will be concerned only on those cases where there are possibilities of loss of tax revenue. It seems that at this stage, the transfer pricing is full of technical jargons such as arm's length price, international transaction. Not a matter to worry. All the terms will be explained as we go along, so stay connected.